Here we go. Simple Sports Cards with a recap of box 6 and 7 break. Two personal breaks of box 6 and 7 out of 2015 Diamond Kings baseball. Not a whole lot of heat in here, but still show the breaks. Got Garrett Richards blue frame to 99. Gary Carter blue 99. Frankie Frisch red. Manny Machado red frame. No, Gabby Harnett 24.99. David Ortiz 99. Cool Carl Yastrzemski bat 14.49. Got a Brock Holt dual jersey auto to 2.99. Look at the mini Jake Marisnick mini jersey 40.99. And then double up with Marisnick dual bat jersey auto 24.99. Pretty much it. A couple more inserts, so forth, but that was box 6 and 7. 9 boxes left in that case, so we'll be moving those. Appreciate everybody who joined the breaks. Like I said, we're Wednesday and Friday nights on Breakers TV now, and please hope we appreciate everybody joining the room. Hope to see you in there. Take care.